My name's Diana Tolley. I'm the Director of Human Resources for Accolade Healthcare.
I'm Mallory Orsoy. I am the Regional Administrator for Accolade Healthcare.
I've been with Accolade Healthcare since August of 2017. I was actually with the original building that he purchased. It's Mo Friedman.
I am much like Diana as well. I've been with the building prior to Accolade ownership, so I've been with the building I am in currently for about 9 years now.
Accolade Healthcare is very innovative. It's very employee-oriented. There is a family atmosphere.
Accolade has the same vision that I think a lot of employees feel, as they're on the front lines with our residents, that, they matter. And I think that Accolade ultimately is our culture that sets us apart. The belief that even at the top, that Accolade has in their own employees, and, just being able to see them grow from within, much like myself, I've had that opportunity and for growth, and it's offered to a lot of our employees across the company. And Diana and I are fortunate that we can speak to that testimony, if you will, because we've been with Accolade, prior to ownership, and we've seen it evolve into something wonderful, and we've seen a lot of advancements from our staff. So when I started with Accolade, like I said, about 9 years ago in the facility, I was in CNA, and then I went into social services, and then I was approached by the owner of Accolade to go back to school and become an administrator. I've learned so much with the company, and now I've, advanced to become, more of a regional role. To boot, I'm a single mother as well, of 3, and there are so many other employees that I probably am not even aware about that, Diana would have, the testimony to that, but, as a single mom, it's hard to find that balance. And with Accolade, I feel like there is that balance, and there is that opportunity for growth, and we see it almost on a daily basis in all of our facilities. So,
like I said, a lot of people worked really hard for that CNA program. We have our own instructor, and it is a program. The CNA program is acknowledged by the state of Illinois, just like any other CNA program. We hire from the outside, and they come in and work as an auxiliary aide, get to know the facility, get to do not hands-on direct care, but a lot of the things that assist the CNAs that are currently working. The good thing about it is they earn a paycheck. They get their schooling for free. They get to work and still make that income that they need, and they get paid to go to school. So we're not charging them, we're paying them to go to school. And it is about a need to want to get into healthcare. An opportunity presents itself to come work for Accolade, get that certification, and continue to grow within the company and have a job as soon as you're done.
They can actually just apply directly online at our company website, and from there it'll take you to all of our locations, and you can apply from there.
The program lasts, it's about, from start to finish, about 6 to 8 weeks. We do want you to work in the facility for a little bit, get a feel for if that is the path that you want to be on to become a CNA ahead of time, but they're working as a CNA very quickly.
Accolade does offer a lot of scholarship tuition reimbursement. They will, help in scholarships for our CNAs to become nurses, our nurses to advance their nursing career. Maybe they're wanting to go from LPN to an RN, and that is something that Accolade will, offer to our staff. I think at Accolade Healthcare, we have a different philosophy than you'll see. And, there is one thing that was said that it sticks out, and it's culture equals quality. And that speaks volumes. We strive on our employees just as much as we do everything else. In fact, we think that is one of the most important things, and we want to see them be successful, and we will put that work into their success as well.
we have a purpose, a job to do here, but it's also about the employees. I did want to say, even sometimes it's just about celebrating employees, whether it's through holiday parties or Accolade Healthcare also has a family fun fest every summer.
I am excited to see what Accolade of Savoy can bring here, that highest level of care, but to have the employee satisfaction is the key that is often missing. And I think that is one thing that Accolade Healthcare strives on. And I think ultimately it's what creates our own success.